Welcome or welcome back to my little creative corner of the internet. Today let's dive into some new goodies and have a look at all the cute art supplies and stationery I got for my crafts and my journal. So let's dive in. We have a look at some paint markers, some stickers, a new sketchbook and a bunch of more things. Some of them you might already know from some of my other videos. I did get those things a little while back, but I didn't find the time to edit this art supply haul. So now I finally found the time and I hope you will enjoy the art supply haul anyways. The sticker book you see me flip through here is quite cute. It's retro themed and I love all the different vibes of stickers there are. The sticker book is from Action and it was quite cheap and I just enjoy using some of them in my bullet journal or my art journal spreads. My favorite has to be the alphabet of the font that looks like a computer, kind of. Here I got some more paint markers from Action and I did film another separate video for them where I compare those cheap paint markers from Action to the fine line paint markers you see me open here that are from Amazon. I will leave a link to the video in the description down below. I'm not sure if I have posted it yet or it will be some of the upcoming ones. Then whenever it gets posted I will leave a link to it. Here are some Alice vintage themed little stamp formed stickers. I think they are really cute and I love the vintage vibe of the old Alice illustrations on those stickers. Can't wait to use them in my art journal. Some more markers. These are metallic brush pens. They are quite nice and have a autumn kind of range of colors. Here's a very cheap sketchbook. It's an A4 sized sketchbook. It has quite thick watercolor kind of paper. I absolutely love having one of those for each project that I do and I work on. For the bigger art projects I have for work, I just start a new sketchbook for each one of them and those are so cheap from Action that it's fine to use one for each project. But here I just tested out the autumn colored paint metallic markers. I really love the shine they have to them. Both the markers and the sketchbook are from Action. I really love getting some new stationery and art supplies from Action. They are so super cheap and if it's just something you want to experiment and have fun with, the quality is quite fine. If you really need some things that are more high quality, artist kind of quality, you have to go to a different shop obviously, but for just experimenting and doing fun and hobby kind of things, it's perfect. Here I also got some calligraphy kind of markers for my bullet journal. These are 3 different widths and you can see me test them out here. The one is 2.0, the another one is 3.5 in width and the third one is 5.0 and it has a different effect. I really like the really thick one. I think it's my favorite out of those 3. Now let's get on to the stickers. Those one you definitely have seen me use in quite a bit of different starting my mini sketchbooks and other one of my videos. Both those packages of ephemera and stickers are from Amazon. I will leave a link in the description down below. The set comes with quite a bunch of stickers. I don't know the number of those little sheets from the top of my head, but I will flip through all the motifs here so that you can see how much stickers are in this pack. And it was quite good value. I really enjoy using those little, kind of forest and vintage themed little stickers. They are perfect for journaling and art journaling, or just your bullet journal when you have to do a quick setup and don't find the time to do all the illustrations yourself. Just slap on some stickers and it's cute. I really love that. And if you are a regular viewer of my channel, you will definitely have seen me use those stickers quite a bit. Here I am just flipping through them and enjoying all the different kind of elements. I love that they are all a bit vintage, kind of themed butterflies, flowers, and everything looks like an old illustration or something collected from the last century. What's your favorite art supply? I would love to know what's your go-to when you can pick anything you want. Let me know in the comments down below. After flipping through all those beautiful stickers, let's go over to the final ephemera pack that I bought for myself for the journaling process. They are also, some are stickers, some are kind of bits and pieces of washi tape, and some are papers you have to glue down yourself. Everything is vintage ticket astrology themed, and I really enjoy using those as well. You might also kind of know some of them from old videos. For example, on the top of my head, I think about my March setup video in my bullet journal from this year. There I used them. Definitely. That has to be some of the time where I bought all the art supplies that I showed you today. I hope you enjoyed this little just unboxing video of all the new fun goodies for my journaling and art process, and I hope it inspired you to just maybe grab some things for yourself. It doesn't have to be super expensive or anything. If you just want to experiment and hone your craft, do some daily drawings and get inspired, just go with the flow, get some cheap art supplies. It doesn't have to be perfect. If you then find something that you really want to dive in deeper, for example, like you want to really get good at watercolor or get super good at gouache painting or something, then it can be helpful to invest in more expensive materials for this special craft or this special art supply you want to get better with. But for the basics and just experimenting, finding your own style and just creating for the fun of it, it can be everything. Everything is possible. You only need a pencil and some paper. You even don't need any of those art supplies that I showed you here today. I just wanted to share the new goodies I got for myself. I hope you enjoyed this little look into my new art supplies, and I hope you enjoyed unboxing those with me, and I can't wait to use them in all my further videos. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And if you want to join me on my creative journey, hit the subscribe button down below. Until then, see you next Saturday.